Now, where exactly to see the scapula? So that is another thing. तो scapula के लिए what you are going to do is you are going to use your two fingers and trace the scapula down in this manner. You go straight down from ये जो border है, ये scapula ऐसा बैठता है. You have to trace the border down and जहाँ पे dip मिलेगा, that is the end of your scapula. We call it as an inferior angle of the scapula. So you have to go together in this particular manner. Where is the dip? So one dip is your, the other dip is yours. So they are at the same level. Usually whenever there are issues, you will get it upar niche somewhere. Either this will be up, down or whatever. That will be a difference, okay? First thing ye hai. Second thing what we have to understand is how your scapula moves. So the ideal way of the scapular mobility is, the scapula is here and whenever you raise your hand, जब flexion करते हो या abduction करते हो, the scapula is going to move like this. समझ रहे हो? If the scapula moves in this manner, that is the wrong mobility pattern of your scapula. Are you able to understand this? Clear? Let's see. Side से abduction करो. I am just going along with a scapula, okay? See, here it is, moved, 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 moved. यहाँ पे stop हो गया and इसके बाद का जो movement है वो आपके humerus से movement आ गई. Is that clear? Then when you come back again, you move, move, move and come here. Okay, now at the same time we will see it here. 1 minute, you come. Yeah. So I am anticipating. Let me just check it once. Yeah, can you see the difference here? See, I am dragging down. यहाँ पे है scapula. I am dragging down. The scapula is here. Can you see the difference here? Got it? And now let's see how he moves his arm up. Okay? Abduction करना है आपको. See, come on. Go, 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 go. And take it up. Pura, near to your ears. Can you see the difference in my arm movement? This is the scapula, the movement. Can you see the difference? Come down again. ये देखो, down, down, down. What we did in Priyanka, it was this. And that is what we want. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? फिर से एक बार करते हैं. I am just keeping my hand on the scapula. जैसे scapula move हो रहा है, I am going along with it. Come on, go. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा movement आया. And इसके बाद, see, look at my fingers how they are rising up. Can you see here? It's all from the upper trap. Can you see here? And come down. The fingers are coming down, down, down. And end range में ये आया. Everybody is able to see that. Clear? So here also the scapula is there. Same scapula, same muscles. But what's the difference? Is the mobility of the scapula is getting hindered. क्यों? क्योंकि this guy, that's your upper trap. If you will touch and feel it here, अभी बाद में तुम लोग देखोगे, they are very tight. Why they became tight? क्योंकि again, most of the times we just randomly अपन ये upper stretch करते हैं, upper traps का stretch, levator scap, ये तो सबको stretches मालूम है वो करते हैं, पर फिर भी वो next day tight हो जाता है. क्यों tight हो रहा है? We need to go to that root cause. The tightness is because the scapula is not moving like this. अगर ये scapula ऐसे move करेगा, this guy doesn't have to work extra. समझ रहे हो? अभी ये काम नहीं कर रहा है तो हाथ को तो ऊपर उठाना है. फिर किसने उठाना है? Your upper traps. Understood? So here it doesn't make sense just to stretch this and not to work on this. You have to just, you'll never get results with that. तो अपने को क्या करना है? इसको अगर inhibit करना है, we need this mobility to be proper. Got it, everybody? And for that, now the beautiful thing for this scapula is you need this scapula to stay on the thorax properly, and as the arm moves, it should move with you. But who will do that? Your all these muscles. तो ये scapula है, ये जो इधर के rhomboids हैं, middle traps है, your upper traps to some extent, your lower traps, your lats, your teres minor, major, ये लोग सब लोग एक को contraction करेंगे और तब जाके वो scapula move होगा. If we are having rigid this muscles, what we are able to find now कि ये muscles जो है ये काम ही नहीं कर रहा है properly, they are not contracting properly, then the scapula को ऐसे खींचेगा ही नहीं कोई. So if this doesn't happen, the scapula is not moving, then who has to pull the scapula? Is your upper trap. Are you understanding? Clear with it? Understood? And now this is going to be a problem. Now if this is a fast bowler, so fast bowler में what's the movement? Can you show the movement fast bowling का? ये अपना ये वाला movement. इधर sideways दिखा. हाँ हाँ. See now fast bowling में it's this movement, that's your flexion which is happening here. तो अब ये flexion में how the scapula should go? This side. But since that's not possible, what this fast bowler will do? He will pull the scapula from here. समझ में आ रहा है? And फिर उनको shoulder issues आएंगे. या अगर ये gym goer है, bench press मारना है, so bench press में it's your horizontal adduction and abduction. Again, the scapula खुल ही नहीं रहा है. Then what he is going to do? He is going to do this at the end and then come back. This is all the compensations which will start. So उसको सिर्फ stretching करोगे, no फायदा. You have to work on all the 3 phases and the motor control of that. So जब तक ये structure खोलोगे नहीं, तब तक motor control बराबर नहीं होगा. Clear है? समझ रहे हो? Everybody is with me. Similarly, scapula is not working, then the shoulders will round inside. And वो कैसे दिखना है? तो सामने से अगर अपन देखेंगे, so can you see the simple logic? You don't need to be a physio for that. Simple logic. ये t-shirt देखो कैसे है? And see the creases here. Can you see the creases here? When the patient or the client is not aware, जब वो normally आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, that time see, can you see this plane and can you see the creases? That's the typical sign that the shoulder is internally rotated. Are you understanding? And why it got internally rotated? Because the scapula is poorly mobile. समझ रहा है? Clear है? Everybody is with me here. Now we need to do some test to see whether the mobility is restricted or no. And for that, relax. For that, we will do the Apley scratch test. Now this is a very simple test. So you turn backwards and we are now checking. We are not checking the scapular. We are checking the shoulder mobility. Okay. The shoulder mobility कैसे check करोगे? Take the leg hand in this manner. So this is what? External rotation. External rotation, abduction and extension of the arm. This is internal rotation, adduction and extension of the arm. Is that clear? They should be touching each other. These fingers should be touching each other. That's a good mobility. We have to do it from this side as well as from the opposite side. इसको बोलते हैं Apley's scratch. Next test what we are doing is known as GIRD test. Okay. Now what is that? Glenohumeral internal rotation restriction test. Okay. So अभी इसमें क्या रहता है? Now when you are working, one person come here. Now this is the shoulder joint here. ये shoulder joint है तो capsule कैसे रहेगा? पूरे को पकड़ के रहेगा. The shoulder capsule. Okay. Now most of the times the capsule, joint capsule which gets tight is your posterior capsule. ये जो capsule होती है इधर पे tightness आती है majorly, you know. So that's your posterior capsule tightness. How to understand that? When ये अगर इधर tight हो गया है तो ये जो arm है, नहीं इधर, ये जो arm है ये क्या है? External rotation है. ये क्या है? Internal rotation है. अगर ये tight है, इधर ऐसे पकड़ के रख रहा है, तो ये हो पाएगा क्या? This cannot happen. Understood? The internal rotation gets restricted. When this is loose, he can do this. Are you understanding, everybody? So that's the typical sign that the internal rotation of that joint is restricted, and it can be because of the capsule. उसको test कैसे करना? That we will see now. समझा? यानी ये usually अपने जो टेनिस रैकेट स्पोर्ट एथलीट्स रहते हैं या बॉलर्स रहते हैं, जहाँ पे भी ये थ्रोइंग वाली मूवमेंट्स है, वहाँ पे ये जॉइंट कैप्सूल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में जाती है. ओके. हाउ टू असेस दैट वी विल सी इट योर. लेट्स टेक दिस लाइक दिस. या मनन यू कैन पुट दैट. या which hand you have kept? Yeah, facing the mirror, him. शोल्डर इंटरनल रोटेशन एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन टेस्ट GIRD है क्या डायरेक्टली? हाँ दोनों है क्या एक साथ? इंटरनल रोटेशन में ले लो फिर. Yeah, this is internal rotation, na? हाँ, that's okay. Right. Okay, so now we are going for the checking internal rotation. Now this I always prefer doing it in a supine line position. क्यों? क्योंकि फिर अपने को ये जो scapula का movement है that gets stabilized there. Okay, so you are maintaining it here. Manan, you can just keep it here. हाँ. This is neutral position. This upper traps are not working. Make sure that's relaxed here. And now, as a person who is assessing, I would like you to use your fingers and place it here. Okay? वो एक बार फिर से अपन ये view देंगे आपको for the online participants. You guys can see it here. You are going to place it here. So I am placing my fingers on this part. ये जो अपने को bone feel होता है उसके ऊपर अपन place कर रहे हैं. Yeah, spine of the scapula. So placing it there, and from there, this is the right side. हाँ, 3 seconds hold. And now we are going into internal rotation. So ये जब तक उठ नहीं रहा है, till the time this is on place, you are going to go down. Because if she goes too down, can you see this lifting off the shoulder? That should not happen. So you are here, and you go to almost 30 to 40 degrees. That's the ideal range. And अगर ये नहीं है, when you don't have the equipment to see, then keep the arms open and go till there where the patient can touch the fingers down. That's the way. Okay, उतना range तो मिलना चाहिए. That's somewhere around 30-40 degrees of range मिलना चाहिए. If you don't have the equipment. If you have this equipment, it's easy to do it. Clear इधर तलक? And what you are going to do? Keep your hands here. You should not be able to feel any movement there. Go till there and able to touch that. That's fine. That's the ideal range. ये हो गया. Now let's go for the external rotation. Similarly, this was internal rotation. Let's go into the external rotation. So external rotation कैसे करेंगे अपन? Similar manner में we are going behind. We get into this. This should be completely almost 90 degrees, you know, of external rotation, which we want. Got it? Clear till here, everybody? And overall, see अभी again, there might be some कोई एथलीट्स होते हैं या कोई लोग बहुत हैवी लिफ्टिंग करने के कारण शोल्डर्स आर लिटिल राउंडेड, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट दिस कंप्लीट रेंजेस. सो व्हाट्स द रिसर्च सेज दैट द ओवरऑल रेंज एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन प्लस इंटरनल रोटेशन शुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 135 डिग्री टू 160 डिग्रीज. यू नो वो रेंज में तो एटलीस्ट मिलना चाहिए अपने को. आइडियली इट शुड बी 80 डिग्री 180 डिग्रीज 90 and 90, पर इतना यू विल नॉट गेट इन ऑल द क्लाइंट्स. At least 135 and above, and somewhere around 150, 160 it should reach. What you will do for that? External rotation plus internal rotation. So that's the good functional range which we have to target for our clients. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है सब लोग को? Okay. Now we will just show now कि कहाँ पे exactly place करना है. So just take it like this. No, turn around and take the this like this. Yeah. So exactly कहाँ पे अपन place कर रहे हैं? Come here, one person, come here. So where are we placing exactly? This is the scapula and this is the spine of the scapula. उसके ऊपर अपन fingers रख रहे हैं. Is that clear ना everybody? Yeah. आपस में feel हो रहा है? देखो सब लोग एक दूसरे को करके. Okay? And now how to see that? Lie down. We are here. These fingers can go here exactly. No movement there. And just no movement there and take it down, nothing happening. And as she goes here, can you see this pulls up? Keep your eyes on my fingers. Stable, 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 and this happens. Can you see this? That should not happen. ये जब भी अभी practice करोगे तभी समझेगा. Okay? Clear with this? This is your to see whether it's the shoulder ranges are restricted or no. That is one thing. And the third one, what you will do is shoulder flexion supine. ऐसे रखो, sideways रखो. Look at that side. And next is very simple test, but it's a very again research backed up, very nice test to do. That is your shoulder flexion test. Supine lying, stay in the straight position, and she goes into the shoulder flexion. So this is 0 degrees, and from there the patient comes completely into this position. Your eyes that there is no hyperextension. Do the bad one. Get into this. So जब ये दिख रहा है, when you are able to get this, that's a typical thing that the latissimus dorsi and your thoracic spine are jammed here. Okay, that's as simple as that. Okay, latissimus dorsi and thoracic. अच्छा ठीक है, तो स्टैंडिंग में बाद में दिखाते हैं फिर, just 2 minutes. Okay, got it? That's a simple shoulder flexion test in supine lying. Same thing, if you don't have this, you can do it in the standing position. Let's do it in the standing position. And you can show it, Manan. So approximately अपना 165 degree to 170 degrees तो range जाना चाहिए for this particular movement, you know. Yeah. Get into that position, and that's it. Got it? That's what we get. Now again, you have to see that range of motion also and the compensations, whether they are arching or going into this shrugs or anything. That's a typical sign. Latissimus dorsi and thoracic spine are jammed there. Move हो रहा है क्या? Check it out. Those are some tests. See, क्योंकि these are not exactly the tests. They are something जो अपना एक्सपीरियंस से वो अपने को आता है. रिसर्च में कहीं पे अपने को टेस्ट नहीं मिलेगा वैसे. What? There are questions. Questions end में अपन 12:30 को ले लेते हैं फिर सब. Oh, it's already 12:30. Yeah?
इंटरनल में कितना जाना चाहिए आइडियल?
30-40 डिग्री.
30-40 एंड एक्सटर्नल में
90.
मैम दिस इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड राइट? सो स्कैपुलर.
हाँ ये देखो स्कैपुला विंगिंग आ गया तो ये रेस्ट्रिक्टेड है. ये पूरा पीछे से आ रहा है देखो. लेट्स गो. Okay, you are showing the scapular release. अभी नहीं दिखा. Okay, scapular release everybody knows. Go for that. अपने बैंडेड पैक कैन. हाँ वो लगा दो.
ये वाला करना है टॉप वाला.
कहाँ पे डालोगे? हाँ इसमें हो जाएगा. लेट्स सी. क्या क्या? ये स्ट्रेच नहीं है. ये स्कैपुला मूव नहीं हो रहा. देखो ये ऐसा नहीं जा रहा है. ये ऐसे तो अभी स्कैपुला रिलीज करेंगे. हाँ तो वो आप ही बता दो. ओके एबल टू डू ना. चलो everybody is done. Now we have understood